Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a Philadelphia whiskey sign. It was made a mirror style sign. It was seen some type of advertising in a bar or a liquor store. But you can see everything's been painted on. It's a nice shape. Again, it is a mirror sign. If you are into whiskey or just vintage advertising, I'm trying to stay out of the picture here. That's not working too well. This might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.